Hi everyone, welcome to the Perfect Plan B family. So, we are very thrilled to have you guys on board with us and appreciate your zeal to actually use your talent to help millions of students. We at Perfect Plan B are on a mission to help every possible student with the right education and training. So, allow me to show you how you can upload your course on our platform. So, the first basic step is just write perfectplanb.net. This is the home page, and here you can simply click on enroll for free. So once you click, you will land to the courses page, and now it gives you the option of login and sign up. So the first ever step that you need to do is to sign up as an instructor. So once you click on sign up, it's going to show you basic fields like you can sign up with the social media, that is Facebook, Google, or you can just fill up the form. That's also very easy. So you can go ahead, fill your name, for example, instructor 1. So you can fill your name, of course, and then your email ID. I'm just filling some demo right now. And then the password that you need to set. So password has to be something like beauty@123xyz. So it has to contain one uppercase and some one special character and some letters, digits, and basically a combination of this, and the minimum length is 8 digits. So you confirm the password by writing it again, and then write your mobile number over here. It has to be 10 digits, and then you need to sign up as a teacher. Then click on this and click on enroll now. So I'm not doing enroll now. So you can just fill this field and simply click here. That's it. Okay. So you will be logged in as an instructor. Great. So let me log in from one instructor account and show you how you can do that. So once you sign up, you will be signed up as instructor. Right. So after you log in, your instructor account is going to be something like this. So this is the home page that every student or instructor will see. But if you want to visit your dashboard, you can click over here. Right. So you can see your dashboard. You will see your revenue, your number of courses uploaded, number of enrollments, how much balance, request withdrawal amount, overview of the course, everything. Then if you want to upload a new course, you can simply go to course manager, or if you wish to edit a course, again you can go to course manager, go over there. This is the option to add a new course. You can click on add new course and you can fill the features. Lot of features are there like lifetime video access, certificate of completion, and live quiz, live classes, quiz assignment, etc, etc. So whatever features your course includes, keep on adding them. For example, lifetime access, certificate of completion, 3 months, live classes, and so on. Whatever features your course has, just keep on including it. Then if you have like multiple courses, 3 or 4 courses, you want to add it into a bundle, you want to create a bundle, you can simply choose 3 courses or 4 courses from here and keep on adding them. First, let me create one course and then we will add them in bundle, 1 or 2 courses. So for example, this is test course 1, right? So you can give the short description or description and what you will learn, all things over here. So I'll show you how it's gonna be shown on the front end. So this is the short description, something explaining what your course is all about, giving a long description over here in detail what this course is about, and here you're going to give a point-wise explanation what a person is going to learn in this course. For example, Java, PHP, front end, whatever it is, right? All these things are going to come over here. Then your course has to be in a certain category. For example, if it's in development, you can choose development. If it's a free course, you can come over here. If you want that you should have a different category, you can of course write a mail at info@perfectplanb.net. You can mail to the admin, and admin is going to create a category for you, and then you can choose to put your course in that particular category. So for example, right now I'm putting it over here. Then you can choose whether it's a beginner level or advanced or intermediate course, in which language, English. And if it's a top course, like if you want that this course should come at the top, you can tick this particular box. Then going to the next thing. So this is a requirement. Anything that you want to provide as requirement for this particular course, that you want this thing should be there, prereq that we call, you can keep on adding the requirements. Outcome, similarly, what the person is going to get. Then you have to do the pricing. So you have to enter the price of the course in dollars as well as rupees, and you have to tick it. If this is a free course, you can tick it. If not, you can enter the price. For example, $30,000, for example $500. And if the course has discount, you can tick this, and discount of maybe 250, 350 rupees, $350, and here maybe 14,000. So whatever discount you want to show, you can discounted price you need to write over here. Okay, next. Then this is the course overview URL. For example, you want to show that my course is what it is all about, basically an introductory video of the course. Then you can upload the video from your system, or if it's on YouTube, you can upload it from YouTube. Anywhere it is possible. If you are using YouTube, just put the YouTube link. If you are using the system video file, it will ask you to choose the file. And this is the course thumbnail, and the dimensions are also mentioned, 600 by 600. The image is going to be displayed on the front end of the website. So this has to be filled. Okay. So these are the meta keywords and meta description for the SEO. For example, the course is about Python. I am going to write the keywords related with Python programming, etc., etc. Then that's it. I can click on submit. Perfect. Then if I go back to the course list, so once I submit, so my course will be shown over here, but it won't be active. It will not be active. So once the admin approves that course, only then it will be shown to the normal public. Okay. So for example, this is a course that I uploaded. Right. So once you uploaded all these basic requirements, it's going to ask you to upload the curriculum. Okay. So in the curriculum, you need to add the section. For example, I add a section. So let me go back and add a course, dummy course, and then we will remove it. Okay. So basic thing I can choose. For example, I chose these kind of features. Okay. Then I choose the title, test description, let me put it in this category. Okay, pricing 500, 12,000 for example. Then great, let me submit this. So now you will get the option to view it on front end also. So once you click this option to view it on front end, so this is how your course is going to look to all the students. Whatever the name, whatever the short description, then long description, then what you will learn and about your instructor feedback and how the certificate is going to look, all these things. The price in dollar and rupees going to come over here. Once you upload the video and the thumbnail image, it's going to come just above this price on the right hand side. Okay, perfect. So now if you want to add the curriculum, you have to first add a section. For example, this is introduction section. Then, so this is how a section will be created. Then you can add a lesson. For example, there are various types of files that you want to add in the lesson. It could be a YouTube video, a Vimeo video file that you want to upload from the system. If you want to give some URL, you can give that. You can even upload a document, you can upload an image, iframe, anything that you want to, you can. So for example, I'm going to upload a video file. You can give the introduction, maybe video 1, the title, section, you can choose which particular section this video belongs. Then you can choose the video from here. Okay, and then if you want to give the subtitles also, you can give from here and then click on add lesson, that's it. So that lesson is going to come under your section. Now the other important thing is how to sort the lessons. So if you want to like change the numbering of the lesson inside a particular section, you can use this sort lesson function. If you want to sort the sections, you can use this sort sections also. So this is how you can upload the whole curriculum of the course. Okay, great. And clicking on view on front end, you can again have a look at all the courses that you have uploaded. Okay, now I will show you the bundle course also. So for example, I click on add a new course and I want to make it a bundle course. Bundle course means you can add 2-3 courses inside one bundle and you can then pitch sale the whole bundle. For example, I want to add Python certification, I added. I want to add data structures, I added. For example, this is my bundle. I want to sell these 2 courses together. So I can do that. The other options remain the same, right? So this is what is a course bundle. Okay. Apart from that, there is sales report wherein you see like what is the revenue. This is just a dummy data right now. So you will see how many users are enrolled, what's the total revenue in all the courses that you have uploaded. Then you get your payout report, like how much payout is pending, so what payout you're going to get. All these things will be available in this particular report. Okay. Then you see the payout settings. So if you want to take the payout through PayPal and all this thing, you will get the payout and etc. from admin directly. So you can just drop a mail again at info@perfectplanb.net regarding your payouts and everything. You'll get that. Okay. So this is the message section. For example, some student tries to message you. You can see over here, right? And this is your profile. So basic profile, you can add your bio, you can add your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, you can update your account password and all, and you can update your photo, right? So this is what is all about the instructor profile and how to upload your course on perfectplanb.net. I hope you got it now. Great. So looking forward to have a lot of courses from you.